Guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm here again just by myself, and today I'm not going to be doing anything besides just watching Netflix. And just playing with my squishies. Oh, and today I just ordered one new squishy. I ordered 3 mini ones. I'll show you guys in a minute. So the first one is this one. In a few videos, you guys might have seen 2 of them already, but I barely ordered them when I did a video with them. So I ordered them yesterday. So here's this one. I barely ordered this one today, and it came here like 2 seconds ago. That's why I wanted to do a video to show you guys, just to do whatever I wanted for now because I was really bored. If you like it, you should have put a ring on it. If you like it, you should have put a. And right now I'm just watching Riverdale. So yeah, the next one is this one. If you like it, you should have put a ring on it. If you like it, you should have put a ring on it. If you didn't. So yeah, I mean this one's sort of a little bit sticky. I think it's because of this one, because this one, before I got it and before I started the video, I glued it onto my phone case and it didn't go well. So I think that's why. And here's them.
Previously on Riverdale, the story is about a town
Wait,
once
what?
wholesome and innocent, now forever changed by the mysterious death of
Oh, I know.
on the 4th of July. Can we talk, Miss Grundy? About what? You're the music teacher. Can we talk about music? We heard what we heard, and afterwards we didn't do anything. How could we explain? And we were
So
at 6 a.m.
the next one, this one's my favorite. I ordered all of them. So the next one, I've only ordered these ones and one jumbo one. I ordered it today. And I did it in a video, in the last video. I ordered it yesterday, but my sister ripped it, so I ordered a new one. So I made a video with it. I'm going to show you guys the packaging of it. Be right back. And the picture on there isn't on there, but I'm just going to give you a hint. It has like a little pouch for the babies to go in. So this is my favorite one because of the ears. So this is it too.
And there Jason would be. Or that we'd see him and Cheryl in the booth with Pops. But that was before the undeniable, irrevocable fact.
Last one I ordered.
A corpse with a bullet hole.
This one's my favorite one. So my hand. Let's see. Because it's the weekend. This one says cousin squad. Cousin squad. And there's one more. It says that because my cousin had a sleepover here. My cousin had a sleepover here, and her parents came to pick her up, and they got me this cousin squad. This is what I'm watching right now. Riverdale. They're mad because they're cheating. No and no. Please. So yeah. And my other ones I didn't order. I ordered them like last year.
On July 4th, there was a gunshot. Probably the shot that killed Jason Watson.
We know exactly what the police know. That a gun was fired, that a boy was shot. We don't know by name.
We know when it was fired. That's something the police still don't know.
They're performing an autopsy.
Looks like he has 2 eyes, guys. But these are the ears, and these are the eyes, and that's the nose. Whoop. And the little dots on the face that they have. So, last one is. It's not always everything, so. You guys go. And I'll put this one.
Where's that? Hey, bud. Where'd you sneak off to last night? You heard that? hearing you sneak out since you were 8 years old, going to Jughead's tree. I couldn't sleep. I went for a jog to find myself out.
Oh, there it is.
Got something in mind?
And here's the sun.
You don't have something, Jason.
And back up, guys.
Please catch her at a shop.
So I'm just gonna be, if I'm not talking and I'm just watching some Riverdale. And here's my pillow. So yeah. Oh no, it's fishy. Sorry guys, hold up. If you like you should have wrote on it. If you look at you. So yeah. I'm just gonna be watching some Riverdale. See you guys like in a few minutes. So guys, it's been like a few hours and I'm really bored. So I'm still watching Riverdale. See, I give you guys a hint, and there it is.
Even though you don't like me like that, I still want us to be friends.
Oh, I still love you.
I'm sorry. I didn't do it to be a... I don't know. I saw it.
Oh, and don't tell my mom that we're friends again.
Hi. Do you think I could use Jason Blossom's death as an excuse to get out of PE? Sorry, Coach. I'm just too depressed and freaked out right now to do pull-ups. Don't joke about Jason Blossom. What? Sardonic humor is just my way of relating to the world. Look, the rich kids from the Goonies. Alright, I'm out. What was that? Now that romance is off the table, I'll just say, are we 100% sure that Archie's straight? Because no straight man has that body.
Speaking of bodies, have you recovered from finding Jason?
It was more traumatizing having to explain to my dad what I was doing with Moose at the river. Yet another perk of being the sheriff's son. Oh my god, those are gorgeous. Are those from Betty McStuffs?
That's why I called her.
Dear Betty, please forgive me, XOXOV. Who the hell is V?
Veronica. They are for friendship. I also had Magnolia cupcakes, one from New York. Because as my mom likes to say, there's no wrong, the right cupcake can't fix. Also, I booked us for cousin Thursday and Teddy's at Shape One. Wow, I'm so sorry, Betty. I don't know what happened to you that night. It was such a basic fish move. It was like I was possessed by...
I'm just busy watching. Pushing to my feet. So guys, I'm gonna end the video here because I'm gonna soon have to be going somewhere. So I'm gonna be ending the video. Sorry I didn't do that much today, but I'm really sorry. And in every single video, I haven't done my intro, so I'm gonna do the intro today. So for my YouTube channel, it's called BXBBY underscore my name. I'll just say it in the video. And if you like the video, hit that subscribe button, and see you guys. I'll see you guys later. Bye.